today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your DNS records by leveraging Cloudflare, a very efficient service used by many to optimize and improve the security of their web traffic. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick overview of what DNS records are and why you might need to adjust them in the first place. DNS, or Domain Name System, is like the phone book of the internet. They translate user-friendly domain names like www.example.com into IP addresses that computers can understand. Sometimes, as you manage your online presence, you'll need to update or delete these records directly in Cloudflare. First things first, you need to head over to Cloudflare's website. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to Cloudflare. Once there, log into your account if you haven't done so. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with the Cloudflare dashboard, which will have all your managed domains listed. Now, locate the domain that you wish to modify. This is where all the magic happens. Click on your domain's name and you'll be directed to a new page with numerous options for managing your domain settings. On this page, you want to look for the tab labeled DNS. Clicking on this tab will open the DNS management dashboard for your selected domain. Here's where we have complete control over the DNS records associated with your domain. At this point, you might notice several types of records like CNAME, MX records, and more. Each of these serves a different function, such as pointing your domain to an IP address or specifying mail servers for your domain. To make bulk changes or deletions, locate the Records section within the DNS tab. You'll see a list of all existing records. If your goal is to delete certain DNS records, you can do so quite easily. Simply check the boxes next to the records you want to remove. Cloudflare conveniently allows you to manage multiple records at once, so feel free to select as many as you need. Once you've selected the records for deletion, look for the Delete button, usually positioned at the top or bottom of the list. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog ensuring that you really want to proceed with deleting the selected records. Confirm your action to successfully remove these DNS entries from Cloudflare. And that's pretty much it. You're all done. Using Cloudflare for DNS management not only streamlines the process, but also equips you with powerful tools for optimizing and securing your domain's traffic. Deleting unwanted records keeps your DNS clutter-free and your domain running smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has given you the confidence to manage your DNS settings effectively with Cloudflare. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more insights into domain management and optimization.